Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains Ford EcoSport engine misfire and outlines commonly documented patterns that may be associated with rough running, hesitation, loss of power, or uneven engine performance in certain situations. An engine misfire generally refers to incomplete or inconsistent combustion in one or more cylinders, and how it presents can vary depending on engine type, model year, mileage, and maintenance history. In the Ford EcoSport, verified information shows that engine misfire behavior can sometimes be linked to ignition system wear, fuel delivery irregularities, or air intake and emissions-related factors. Some versions may experience misfire conditions related to aging spark plugs or ignition components over time, while in other cases fuel system inconsistencies or sensor-related issues could be involved. On certain engines, vacuum leaks or airflow measurement discrepancies may also contribute, depending on operating conditions. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year mileage or prior repairs, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. When misfire symptoms are present, general solutions often focus on proper inspection rather than immediate part replacement. This may include checking ignition components, confirming fuel delivery consistency, reviewing engine control data, and ensuring there are no air or exhaust flow abnormalities. Because misfires can stem from multiple overlapping factors, correct diagnosis is essential before repairs are performed. Across broader documented trends, engine misfire issues in compact Ford models like the EcoSport tend to show variation based on driving conditions, service intervals, and component age rather than a single universal cause. Some vehicles may experience intermittent misfires, while others may only show symptoms under load or during cold starts. In conclusion, a Ford EcoSport engine misfire can have different contributing factors depending on the specific vehicle configuration and usage. Not every EcoSport will experience this issue, and the underlying cause can differ between model years and individual vehicles. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.